Coming up to Station House. It looks, pictures that you posted looks quite decent in here.
Ooh.
It's massive. Wow.
Oh, right then.
Oh, that's what I'm going to use to get to locations.
That's it. You could get back to Sheffield on that.
Yeah. Right, lot of entrances.
Go to left, please.
Oh, railway lines, straight back.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, is this straight away in? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Oh god.
We're gonna have to climb through a window. Gonna have to climb through a window.
Yeah. Is it a window jobby, is it?
Yeah. There's erect floor in there. Dan, shall we get back to Sheffield on this?
Bang on that. Get that baseball crocky place. Doors open.
Whoa! Yeah, do not step in there. I just nearly stepped in there. Sudden drop.
Oh, fuck.
No, wait, it's closed now.
Do you need to jump into the bathroom? Nah, it floors fucked in there as well.
I'm gonna get the trap one out.
Wait, is there someone outside? Don't step on.
Oh, way in's here.
Wait, this way, Lee. You always done this.
Hello. Could have just walked through here.
Well, it's fucked, did it? Hear it? Come on, get it.
Fridge. Heading upstairs.
Look.
Oh shit.
Bit trashy, isn't it?
Oh shit. Just a cupboard. Not very good, this one.
No. It looked like it would have been mint.
I know.
And it's shit. Oh well, you can't.
Win some, you lose some.
Can you?
That's literally it. Onto the cinematics. Right, we're venturing outside. There's a few caravans, as I know, as I've seen. That's right, check the barn, garage thing, and not much in that. It's meant like photo places, but I'm getting a video. Oh, TV, a piano, that's nice. Yeah, see TV down there. It's like a trailer thing, I'm not sure there's open it. You can hit a sheep from farm across. Can't see in there. Go have a look in the caravans. Last caravan re-exploded, found ashes. Right-wing caravan. It's full of clutter. There's no Fujifilm camera there. Got a clock. Got a disco light wall. It's not. We're expecting this one to be better, to be fair with you. Is that you, Dan?
Yeah, it's me. I thought they were still working.
Toilet! Chantel.
I thought they were still working. That's good then. Right. Don't need this then.
Wow. Cooker. This will be
Right,
made.
you're gonna have to.
I'm gonna merge this video with Station House one because they're both very short.
I'm getting.
It's cold.
Is it?
I'm gonna be getting a few photos.
It's anywhere else.
Everyone's been and just smashed it up
At
because
least
of the
the
cunts.
electrics are on though.
It's like a right. It is an older cottage, isn't it? But an
Yeah.
older thing.
This was, I said, this was a holiday, you know, for people, a private, you know, if they have nowhere else to.
No, so it wouldn't be hard to put it back. It's not.
Yeah,
It's not totally wankered, is it? So.
it's just upstairs with that wall that's been caved in.
Yeah. Yeah, it's only a bit of plasterboard, but.
Yeah.
Ugh.
You got me dirty corner?
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
Mad.
Oh, I've stood in it.
Doing your dirty corner.
Why didn't you here?
There we go. Lights on up here. It's got alright bedrooms, I suppose. Yeah, plasterboard. Caved in. If a person like to drink Budweiser, I'll give them that, and they're fucking legends. Like 3 beds in here. Like a children's bedroom or a guest bedroom or something. So yeah, that's about it.